In front of me is Nubia Focus 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Notification and Status bar. Then choose App Notifications at the top, and before doing anything, hit All Apps at the top left corner. Most people forget, but after tapping on it, you can choose one of those options to sort your apps. You can see all apps on your Nubia, apps with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or apps with notifications already disabled. Let's go with most frequent. Now use blue switches next to your apps to block notifications from them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, you can also tap on any app available on the left, and not only block notifications or switch them on thanks to this switcher, but also manage all of those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!